In this video, we're going to look at 10 order types that you need to know and how you can use them to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And make sure that you stick around until the end of the video, because I've got a bonus tip to help you to pick the correct order type for your style of trading. Hey, it's Cobb here from TRADERCOBB, an online education platform that provides a complete solution for you to become the best cryptocurrency trader you can be. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, and you can find any of the links I mentioned in the description below, just down there. This is a follow-up to a couple of previous videos where I explain trading terms that you need to be familiar with. If you haven't seen those yet, you can find a link here. Otherwise, let's get started on 10 order types that you need to know. Number 1, the humble market order. A market order is an order to quickly buy or sell at the best available current price. It's an instruction from you, the trader, to a broker or an exchange to trade immediately at the best available price. You need to be careful raising market orders though. If the price is moving quickly, your order may not get filled at the price you're expecting. Generally, we only use market orders to get out of a trade quickly. Number 2, limit order. Look, a limit order is an order placed to either buy below the market or to sell above the market at a certain price point. It's an instruction to your broker or exchange to execute a trade at a particular level that's more favorable than the current market price for you. This is a far more reliable way to enter a trade. It's giving you control over the exact prices that you want. Number 3, stop loss. A stop loss is a type of order linked to a trade for the purpose of preventing additional losses if the price goes against you. For example, if you open a long position but the market suddenly drops, you can stand to lose a lot of money. A stop loss is like a safety net, where as soon as the price hits a certain level, bam, you're automatically exiting the position. Just like the different entry orders, there are variations of stop orders too. A stop market order will close your order immediately at whatever price is available, while stop limit will only close your order while the price is in a range set by you. Stop market is a safer option though. It makes sure you exit your position completely. Number 4, trailing stop. When a trade is going well, we want to lock in those profits along the way. This can easily be done by manually adjusting the stop loss as a new support level is formed. However, we can't be at the screens 24/7, and sometimes it's nice to automate the process for peace of mind. This is where a trailing stop comes in. Essentially, you tell your stop to follow behind the current market price by a set amount. In a long position, if the price continues to rise, so does the stop. But if the price drops, the trailing stop stays right where it is, and if triggered by the price drop, the position will automatically be closed in profit for you. Number 5, take profit. A take profit order is a type of limit order that specifies the exact price at which to close out an open position for a profit. If the price of the security does not reach the limit price, the take profit order does not get filled. You can choose in advance to either close out your entire position or just a portion when a certain price is reached. One popular strategy is to close half of your position when a trade reaches a ratio of 1-to-1. This essentially makes the remainder of your position completely risk-free. Number 6, post only. When we are trading, there are fees involved. These fees are lower if you're a market maker rather than a market taker. If you fill an order that is already sitting in the order book, you are considered a taker. So if you have a system that involves opening and closing many small positions, those fees can begin to add up. This is where post-only orders come in. It means the order you are raising will sit on the sidelines until there isn't a matching order already in the order book. And then it slots itself in and you are considered the market maker on that order, incurring lower fees on that trade. Number 7, reduce only. Reduce only is a special order condition that allows you to safely exit a position without accidentally increasing your position size in the wrong direction. For example, if you had an open long position with 10 Bitcoins and you accidentally added an extra 0 to your sell order, meaning you sell 100 Bitcoins, you could end up with a short position of the 90 extra Bitcoins. A simple mistake that can cost you a lot of money. By ticking the reduce only box, the exchange knows you only want to reduce the position you currently hold, and 0 is the lowest you can go. So even if you told the exchange to sell 500 Bitcoins, it can only sell the 10 you currently hold. Number 8, hidden. If you want to get into a very large position, especially on an exchange with low liquidity, you may create what is known as a buy wall or a sell wall and find it difficult to get filled. One option is to make an OTC, which stands for over-the-counter order, but that can be a tedious process and it is not available to everybody. The other option is to raise a hidden order. This will break up your large order into a bunch of smaller orders and spread them through the order book so you don't cause a disruption to the price movement. Number 9, fill or kill. The purpose of a fill or kill order is to ensure that the entire position is executed immediately at the current price. If there are not enough orders in the book to cover the position and not enough volume to process within a few seconds, the order will be cancelled and removed from the book. In reality, you will not see this sort of order very often, as there are other methods to achieve a similar outcome. However, it is important to know as some exchanges only offer a limited number of order types. Number 10, one cancels other, or OCO. A one cancels the other order is a pair of conditional orders stipulating that if one order executes, then the other order is automatically cancelled. An OCO order often combines a stop order with a limit order on an automated trading platform. This is an order type I use regularly, allowing me to set my entry, stop, and target all at the same time. And then if the target's hit, the stop order is cancelled, or if the stop is hit, then the target order is cancelled. It means less time at the screens, less stress in your life, and more time to do what you enjoy. That's all of them, guys. 10 order types that you need to know. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I'll let you know which order types are the most important. Order types that you will use regularly. You've just heard 10 of the most popular order types, but there are dozens more, and each exchange has a different selection with slightly different naming conventions. The most important thing to understand is exactly what you want to achieve with your order, knowing how to reduce risk if a trade goes against you, and how to lock those profits in when everything goes according to your plan. If you understand how to use a market order, a limit order, a stop loss, and the reduce only order condition, that will cover the vast majority of the positions you'll be taking. The rest are great tools for you to have in your arsenal, but those are the 4 really important ones, to be fair. I'll include the timestamps below so you can go back and watch again if you need to. So where to from here? If you would like to continue your trading journey, we have a completely free course called Become a Trader, which will give you all the knowledge you need to dip your toes into the cryptocurrency market and help you become a consistently profitable trader. You'll either find the link up here or in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button so more people will see the content and I can spend more time creating new stuff for you, and also hit the subscribe button to receive your alerts whenever I upload new content like this. And remember, the key to being a successful trader is to plan your trades and to trade your plan. So let's get you started on your plan. See you next time.